guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be making an orange cranberry bread. My name is Sonia and welcome to Domestic Eat. So today on the menu is orange cranberry bread, and I thought this was a perfect bread as a dessert or an afternoon tea or coffee, or something that you can take with you for a brunch, because it could be a breakfast bread as well, and also you can take it as a dessert. So I'm trying this recipe out for the first time. I did get it on Pinterest because I'm looking for different things to serve for my Christmas morning, and I like to have things that I can assemble the night before and then in the morning just stick it in the oven and it cooks while we do the presents and all that stuff. So without further ado, let's get started. Here is the ingredients that you will need: baking soda, baking powder, flour, salt. You will need a loaf pan. I am using Pamper Chef Stone. An orange whole. You'll need the zest and the juice, cranberries, sugar, egg, and some sort of an oil. I am using coconut oil, but you could use margarine or butter. And another thing that you could add are some sort of nuts. The recipe suggests pecans. I'm not particularly crazy about adding nuts to these things, so I will not be putting any in, but that's just personal choice. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grease my stone. Next, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. So I measured out 2 cups of flour. Then I need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. I am going to stir this up and set it aside. In the second bowl, I am going to get my orange zest. Actually, this I'm going to add it to the flour. And I'm going to add my cranberries as well into the flour mixture. And then in this bowl, I am going to cream together margarine, sugar, and egg, or oil. Egg and sugar. Now I'm going to juice my orange. There we go. Now I'm going to add my flour. And now I'm going to put the batter into my oven and bake it at 350 for about an hour. Okay, so there it is, and into the oven it goes. The loaf is done. It looks pretty good, and now we're gonna try it. It is all done, and it tastes delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.